They are the rulers of the wild.
From the dense forests of North America to the icy tundras of the Arctic, bears have fascinated and intimidated us for centuries. But beyond their raw power and legendary reputation lies a world far more complex than most imagine. These formidable creatures are not just lone wanderers of the wild. They are problem solvers, skilled communicators, and at times surprisingly playful. Join us as we take a closer look at this magnificent apex predator. Wildlife Bites presents Bear Truth.
In the frozen wilderness of the North Pole resides the largest land predator on Earth, the polar bear. These bears rely on the Arctic ice to hunt, travel, and survive. Their thick fur may look white, but underneath is black skin designed to absorb heat. And with webbed paws acting as natural paddles, they are expert swimmers, earning them the title of marine mammal. A polar bear can swim over 60 miles without rest.
An adult male polar bear typically weighs 900 to 1,600 pounds or 400 to 725 kilograms, while females are much smaller, averaging 400 to 700 pounds or 180 to 320 kilograms. Polar bears can live up to 25 or 30 years in the wild. However, today, it is estimated that there are only around 22,000 to 31,000 polar bears left worldwide. Conservation efforts are critical in helping protect their remaining populations, with some zoos playing a role in preservation by providing safe environments for research, education, and breeding programs. But the future of the polar bear remains uncertain as they face ongoing threats from both climate change and habitat destruction. Let us hope we can enjoy this magnificent creature for many generations to come. Just a quick pause, so please bear with me. If you are enjoying this documentary, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bear in mind, a lot of effort has been put into making this video, and your support helps us keep going. Thank you. While the polar bear reigns over the ice, the grizzly dominates the land. Extremely powerful, intelligent, and often misunderstood, these giants are known for their immense strength, capable of taking down large prey and defending vast territories. With a diet that ranges from berries to bison, grizzlies are nature's ultimate opportunists. When grizzly bears feel threatened or startled, especially when protecting their cubs or food, they may charge at incredible speeds, swiping with powerful claws or delivering bone-crushing bites to neutralize the perceived threat. Watch as this mother bear and her cubs go hunt their next dose of protein. However, they are unaware this is a dangerous place for them to be. The mother is now separated from her cubs. This aggressive male grizzly can hold a serious threat for them. The male is ready to seize this opportunity. The mother is looking for her cubs in panic. The male bear strikes. But it won't be long before her mother instincts kick in and she is off to defend her cubs. While While the male outweighs her by over 500 pounds, a mother's fury knows no boundaries. She will do anything to protect her cubs and ensure their next meal. And she does. The male is defeated and humiliated. He will never mess with this mother bear again. Despite their fearsome stereotype, the grizzly bear is a symbol of raw wilderness. Strong, resilient, and deeply connected to the land it roams.
I assume by now you are wondering, what about the panda? Well, despite being called bears, pandas are genetically quite distant from other Ursidae members of the bear family. Some scientists even debated whether pandas were more closely related to raccoons before confirming their bear lineage. Therefore, we decided not to include them here in detail, as we think pandas deserve their own documentary. Do you agree? Tell us in the comments. Many people think brown bears and grizzlies are the same. While they are closely related, not all brown bears are grizzlies. In fact, grizzly refers to a specific subspecies of brown bear found in North America. Brown bears, on the other hand, have a much wider range from the forests of Europe to the mountains of Asia. Even the massive Kamchatka brown bear is a subspecies of the brown bear family. Yet it differs greatly from its North American relatives due to its remote habitat and abundant food sources. Kamchatka bears have fewer natural predators and an abundant supply of salmon, allowing them to grow to massive sizes. Kamchatka brown bears can weigh over 1,400 pounds or 635 kilograms, making them some of the largest bears on Earth. Brown bears are among the most widespread bear species on Earth. Unlike their grizzly relatives, many brown bear populations live in dense woodlands rather than open plains. Their fur varies in color, from light blonde to almost black, and their behavior shifts depending on their environment. They are one of nature's most powerful species. But their strength is not just physical, it's also maternal. A brown bear mother is fiercely protective, teaching her cubs the skills they need to survive before they go off on their own. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, brown bears face increasing threats. Yet, thanks to conservation efforts, some populations are beginning to recover, ensuring that these remarkable bears remain a part of the wild.
Majestic, intelligent, powerful, playful. Bears are more than just symbols of strength. They are a vital part of the ecosystems they inhabit. Understanding them is the first step to protecting them. Because when it comes to bears, the truth is far more fascinating than the myth. This is the bear truth. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to share, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, this has been Wildlife Bites. See you on our next video.